What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So I'm going to take a look at Vechain. It's exploding to the upside. We're sitting at 0.044. We're up 35% in the last 24 hours. Market cap 3.63 billion. 24-hour volume 583 million. We're in multiple trades that are on their ways to their take profits. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, just hang around to the end of the video. So as you can see, 26% on just today alone. Absolutely insane pump. So wave 1, wave 2, overextended wave 3. If it continues to overextend, we are pushing into this resistance zone. The next target is 0.05095, which is the 261.8 fib extension. Of course, it can push even higher. It can overextend all the way up to 0.066 cents, which is the 361.8 extension. If we do pull back from here, then we look for a wave 4 before continuation back to the upside. If we take a look at Vechain on the daily chart, this is off the bear market low. We have the beautiful wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, looking to push up in the wave 3. So if we take trend-based fib extension from the bottom of the bear market low to the top of the wave 1 to the top of the wave 2, this will give you a target for your wave 3, which is right up here at about 0.0870 for the wave 3, the 161.8. Of course, that can overextend, pull back into 4, and then push up in a wave 5. Would that conclude the bull market at about 14 cents for Vechain? I'm not too sure about that. What you can do is put in that first 5-wave impulse, pull back, and then see continuation. We'll have to see how that plays out for Vechain, but as of right now, we're seeing that nice push to the upside. So you do have that resistance up here at 0.052 for our friend Vet. So a lot of the coins right now, Veracity, VRA, XLM has just been going nuts. XLM, look how parabolic that is. So the Bitcoin dominance has been dropping. Let me open that up quickly. The Bitcoin dominance has been dropping, causing the alts to go absolutely nuts, as you can see here. So if you want completely free access to my trade signals, as well as you can see my portfolio for what I'm invested in, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. It takes 30 seconds. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Once you sign up, just send me an email. It takes 30 seconds. You get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. And I'll give you completely free access to my, which includes my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals, as well as one of our members giving signals all day long. We have almost 3,000 members in the Discord. All links down below. Go smash up that like button, subscribe. Send me an email after you sign up to Bitfinex and you'll get access for life. Much love. Take care.